morning, guys. What is up? It is your girl Nisha and I'm back with another video. Nyla and I are here. I'm about to give her her bath. Usually we wake up in the morning around like 7, 8, maybe 9. Like I'll give her her morning bath, but today she seemed very tired, so we kind of just relaxed and took more than one nap. I was like really tired myself. Ziggy's at work, so we're just here. I'm about to give her her bath. And then I'm gonna, I guess, find something to eat. I don't even know what I'm really feeling for. Ziggy made food last night. He made some baked chicken, so I probably have some of that. I did have breakfast earlier. And yeah, so I'm just about to go give her her bath. We're actually going to a baby shower today. It's my girl S Bumpa's daughter's baby shower. So we're about to go to that. And I'm waiting for Ziggy to come home. So I'm not even gonna get it. I'm not gonna get ready yet. I'm just gonna get her kind of dressed, kind of not dressed. But yeah, I just want to give her shower from now, just so she can kind of like breeze out, cool off, and she's not going outside after having a shower. So that's what a shower, like a bath. So that's what we're gonna do, and then we're gonna go downstairs for a little, probably watch TV for a little until Ziggy comes home. He should be coming home soon anyways. But then yeah, then once he's home, I'm gonna get dressed. I'm not sure if she's gonna sleep after, because she did sleep for a while, but we'll see what happens, I guess. Right? She's just sitting here. Can you guys just take in? This little girl talks so much. Hi! Hi, what you gotta say? What you gotta say? Huh? Yeah? You're so pretty. You like my bonnet? You like my bonnet? You're always staring at it. You like my bonnet? Yeah. Yeah. You gonna talk for the camera? You gonna talk for the camera? Yeah. Sometimes she'll wake up like 7 o'clock in the morning, 6 o'clock in the morning, and just straight talking. Like she'll randomly just wake up and just start talking, and we'll be like, what the heck? Like, it's so crazy how much she's grown. But she keeps staring at my scarf. I think she likes my scarf. You like my scarf? You like my scarf? Huh? Oh, I'm so tired. Oh my goodness.
Boomshell! Yeah, now. So we're there, see pre. Joke. Anyway, we are going to a little baby shower. What's her name again? I know her as S Bumper.
Aretha.
But her name is Aretha? Yeah. So Aretha, big up yourself. Although I come here and tell yourself to big up yourself again. But yeah, we are going down there, so for a little baby shower, go show her face a little bit, you know. Bless up man, see if we can drop off some little presents, CMA. Because you don't know things that, you know, we have to do good. Just like how people do good for you, so we have to do it back to somebody else, eh? Support for support. See, bro.
Bro, did you see Will?
Saying already?
I thought fix my hair.
What? Take care, man. Yo, you see when down now, I'm gonna say, if you give a man 2 hours to get ready before you're ready. You see, pre? 2, yeah, man, I only bump and squeeze, but no. 2 hours, so then can do them makeup, them ear, and put out them clothes. Because man take out 4 clothes here, 4 different suits, and put them and then they search which one they want. Holy moly.
Anyways, guys, my hair is blue. Anyways, I'm about to go fluff up my hair. I totally forgot my hair was blue, and I'm just like, cute. Anyways, but yeah, we're about to leave out right now because we're running late. We're probably gonna be stuck in traffic a little. So we'll catch you guys on the flip side at the event.
We just drive out, you know, and oh, you were praying just now? So you go pray while you drive.
My eyes open, why not?
Bro, check prayer already. But Father, protect us while we are going on our way back, you know? Be with us. So we left a seat on the front for you. Yeah. You know? And guide you on the right path going. You know, any danger they come through here, we are begging you for just give him one deep right turn, making just whoops and turn me from way, you know? And protect Nyla same way. Do mama? Do mama? So big up on yourself again.
We're about to play some music because we all play music when we drive, so we have to.
Mama in blue here, looking so beautiful.
Thanks, baby. You look so sweet too.
princess them, Totally princess them, see pre. Yeah. Yeah, man.
Oh, can I get one of those, please?
Nisha, that's why I have guessing.
It's a
Soda. Anyhow, so we just reaching from the block with over Shan,
cream
the
soda?
Williams family, so we're there. Easy back.
I'll take the cola. Cola champagne.
They charging some soda. Me and my cup from down at S Bumper place, same way, my liquor. Something in my cup. Yeah. You know?
So let me tell you guys how those stupid what do you call it? Hair paint wax, so they say it doesn't run. They lied. Cause look at my shirt. Why is it blue? Who's chatting to you? Who
I like that vibe tonight, huh?
Yeah, they lied. John's chefing up in the kitchen.
Yeah.
Cooking up some chicken.
No, Amari, you're supposed to be chefing up in the kitchen. I
Listen.
don't know, put him down somewhere.
Holy pa dumpling and something. You must.
Favorites.
Yeah, though. Yo, I'm ready to eat dumpling more than rice. I'm eat dumpling right throughout the week, my youth.
Yeah.
Because I can't gas up for a dumpling. You see I send there?
Yeah, definitely.
Oh. It's down there.
Down with the box.
Oh. Take these photo. I say, me don't have every time I say, no, say, me I go cook a pali first thing. Me nobody cook no dumpling today, you know?
Oh, pero like you're always cooking dumpling.
Yeah, I love dumpling, man. I one reason me not like the rice, you know, cause I feel like rice gas you up, like.
I already just not like it either. You said bacon.
Eh,
Who else gonna make rice, but I did put rice on.
yeah.
It's like, no, I want to cook food. Let
Yeah,
me
must cook food, I was. Dumpling and something. Do you have to say? Nah, like that vibe tonight.
I was recording her earlier. What you say, Sean?
Sound like I like mom's baby.
No. Mama.
Yo, I'm gonna insert
No,
the,
don't say mama. Say
I'm
da,
gonna
da,
insert
da,
the video
da,
where it sounds
da,
like
da.
she said mommy.
No,
Yes, I'm putting it up
but she
there.
didn't.
It sounds like it.
Da, 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 da,
Mama,
da.
mama.
But you know, say if she starts so that day, and me make she start say,
Yeah.
yeah. So me go change it, cause me always there playing and say mama. Say if you start say mama,
We always say no first.
so me go start change and say da 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 da.
But I'm gonna still tell her mama. Yeah.
Nah.
Right? Team girls. Team girl.
Yo, free load.
Until she gets older, she becomes a daddy's girl.
Oh my god.
The boys are not.
Bam! So we're back home, you know? Look at my eyes, bro.
Whose makeup is on your shirt? Cause I never hugged you.
Oh shit. Anyhow, so we're back home right now. Go over Mario, them gonna have some food and curry chicken them bad, but actually, yo, if me never eat down at the other place,
Yeah.
I name them more, but curry chicken good.
So right now,
Probably a lot tomorrow we come back for the come more.
Nyla's taking a poo right now, and the last person that touches her nose has to rock paper scissors has to change it. Rock paper scissors.
You saying the last man that touch their nose?
But no, you can't.
No, so me touch me nose, yeah.
I was gonna do that, but then I'm like,
you go
Mom,
clean
rock
it.
paper scissors.
Nope.
I'm
Me
not
touch me
doing
nose.
it.
Yeah, on say unfair though. You want say last person to touch their nose.
I was gonna
to
say
clean.
that.
Me touch me
Come,
nose.
rock paper scissors cleaner, you're gonna lose because I always beat you. Come.
What?
Rock?
I'm gonna say paper.
You're so silly. Rock, paper, scissors.
No,
that's our three. That's
no,
our three.
no.
No, what? Me
No.
and that. Move.
You're a sorry loser.
No, you're so loser. Shut up.
Yeah. But yeah. As I say, we just reach in and
good shirts.
give God thanks for carry out and
Always.
bring you back home, you know. Always have to give God thanks, man, you know. And, you know, like, the baby shower there was one good. I like the vibes, you know. They when they see me for the diaper something, but when I was play game settings, you know.
But the vibe was nice.
Very
Good
cool.
vibes.
Some music when they play, I did I go and rap for two tune, you know what I mean? But then they switch up the settings, you know what I mean? Just did I go and easy back and then we left because we have to come back and go and check Mario them pound for them Black Bessie Williams. You know what I mean? So
The
come
vibe
back and
was
we did
right.
it. When they watch a show. What the show called?
What men think or something like that?
What Man Wants.
What men want, yeah.
Yeah, that show is funny.
Yo, the show's
It's nice. You guys can check it out. It's very funny. Anyway, what did I say?
Oh, sorry. Good night. We love you guys. You know, shout out to you guys. Stay blessed. Don't forget to say your prayers before you go to bed.
Boodle. So may I say big up to Tina Z. And I mean big up yourself and continue to like, comment, share, subscribe and the little bell thing them want if you're not new to the channel. Want to know click up the little thing there. Subscribe to the thing so you know say as we post something when you get notified. It's free. So big up on yourself. We out.